Discuss about rational numbers exercise 1.3 till 1.2 in previous video is completed. Now exercise 1.3 first bit expressed in p by q form. Here first bit there are 4 questions. They are given in decimal form converted into p by q. So decimal how to write fraction form 57 by decimal after 2 digits, so 2 zeros. Is there any cancellation? There is no common factor for them, so no need to cancel. Second question, 176 by 1000. These two cancelled by 4 table. 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. So next 4 11s are 4 table won't cancel, so you can take 2 table. 2 2s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 5s are. So finally we got 22 by 125. These two cancelled by first 4 table. 4 4s are 4 4s are 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. Again 2 2s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 5s are 22 by 125. Next one is 1 0 0 0 0 1 by here 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. These two not having any common factor, so leave it p by q form. Next 2 5 1 2 5 by point after 3 digits, so 1000. It is cancelled by 5 table. 5 5s are 5 2s are 5 5s are 5 2s are. Next 5 10s are 5 5s are 5 4s are. Next 5 2s are 5 1s are 5 8s are. So 201 by 8. This is p by q form expressed in the form of p by q. First bit. Here second bit express p by q form or rational number form. First question is 0.9 bar. Let us take it is right as 0.9999. It is repeating. So let x is equal to 0.99999 and so on. This is equation number 1. Here period. Which number is repeating? That is period. How many digits are repeating? That is periodicity. Periodicity is 1. Now multiply both sides of equation number 1 by 10. First equation on both sides multiply with 10. So 10 into x 0.9999 and so on into 10. Now 10 into x 10x. It should be multiplied with 10. The decimal is forward after 1 digit. 10 means 1 digit. 20 means 2 digits. 9.999 and so on. This is equation number 2. Now equation number 2 minus equation number 1. That is 10x is equal to 9.9999 and so on. X is equal to 0.9999 and so on. Now both subtract. 10x minus 1x 9x. 9999 cancel, here 9 will get. X is equal to 9 by 9. X is equal to 1. Therefore 0.9 bar value is 1. Next, similarly second question is, this is right as 0.57575757 and so on. Now let x is equal to 0.575757 and so on. This is equation number 1. Now period is equal to 57. Periodicity is 2. Now equation number 1 on both sides of equation number 1. On both sides equation number 1 multiply by 100. Multiply on both sides of equation number 1 by 100. So 100 into x 0.575757 into 100. So now 100 into x 100x 57.575757 and so on. This is equation number 2. Now we'll do equation number 2 minus 1. That is 100x is equal to 57.575757 and so on. Now x is equal to 0.575757 and so on. Now both are subtract. 100x minus 1x, 99x. Here we got 57. X is equal to 57 by 99. Now cancel with 3 table. 3 ones are 3 nines are. 3 threes are 3 threes are. So x is equal to 19 by 33. This is right in P by Q form. Terminating decimal. These are recurring decimals. Non-terminating recurring decimals right in P by Q form. Both of them same. Non-terminating and recurring decimals. Now 0.729 bar. 29 only having bar. That is right as 0.7292929 and so on. Let x is equal to 0.7292929 and so on. This is equation number 1. Now period is 2, period is 29, periods it is 1. So multiply on both sides. Equation 1 by 100. So on both sides multiply with 100. So 100 into x 0.7292929 and so on into 100. So this is 100x 72.9292929 and so on. This is equation number 2. Now equation number 2 minus equation number 1. So that is 100x is equal to 72 point here 72.9292929 and so on. Equation 1 is 0.7292929 and so on. Both subtract. 99x 292929 cancel. 72.2. Now x is equal to 72.2 by 99. If you want to remove the decimal into 10 by 10, that is 722 by 990. 2 3s are, 2 6s are, 2 1s are, 2 4s are, 2 9s are, 2 5s are. So final answer is 361 by 495. 361 by 495 is the rational number. Now fourth question. 12.28 bar. 8 only having bar. 12.28 bar. That is 12.28888 and so on. Let us take x is equal to 12.28888 and so on. This is equation number 1. Multiply on both sides. Equation number 1 by 10. So 10 into x 12.28888 and so on into 10. That is 10 into x 10x 122.888 and so on. This is equation number 2. Now equation number 2 minus equation number 1. That is 10x is equal to 122.888 and so on. X is equal to 12.288 and so on. Both subtract. 9x 8 8 cancel. 8 minus 2 6. 2 minus 2 0 1 1. X is equal to 110.6 by 9 into 10 by 10. That is 1106 by 90. Both cancelled by 2 table. 2 5s are, 2 5s are, 2 3s are, 2 4s are, 2 5s are. So x is equal to 553 by 45. Non-terminating recurring decimals, how to express in P by Q form. This is exercise 1.3, first bit and second bit.